OMV has a clear strategy to develop into an integrated company for sustainable chemicals, fuels and energy with a focus on solutions for the circular economy. Despite the challenging environment, we can look back on a very successful year in 2023 and a strong first quarter in 2024, thanks to our integrated business model. This applies to both earnings and cash flow generation. Moreover, OMV has a very healthy balance sheet. Thanks to our very solid financial performance, we were once again able to distribute a record total dividend of 5.05 euros per share for the financial year 2023. This represents a very competitive dividend yield of 12.7% based on the 2023 closing price. OMV is on track not only financially. OMV is on a clear path to decarbonizing. Compared to the base year 2019, we were able to reduce our Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions by 25% and Scope 3 emissions by 10% by the end of 2023. OMV has a very strong portfolio. This is an excellent basis for the transformation into an integrated company for sustainable chemicals, fuels and energy. This is also reflected in our new corporate identity. We will implement this transformation in a responsible and value-enhancing manner. Our strategic direction remains unchanged. However, as set out in our June strategy update, we have specified some of our strategic targets and adjusted the timeframe. We have raised our 2030 targets for clean operating result and operating cash flow by around €500 million. This reflects the potential upside of an improved market environment, while we are counteracting the negative effects of cost inflation and low economic growth in Europe with a comprehensive efficiency program. While maintaining our capital allocation priorities, around 40 to 50% of our organic investments will flow into sustainable projects by 2030. At the same time, we will continue to ensure that our shareholders participate in the company's success through a progressive dividend policy and the distribution of special dividends based on clearly defined criteria. The strong cash flows from our core businesses will support the successful execution of our strategy. Therefore, we are focused on optimizing our E&P business, improving margins in our refineries and retail operations, and driving operational excellence in the chemicals segment. We have identified 3 main areas for growth. Our first focus is on chemicals, where we see growth opportunities in specialty products and will further expand and diversify our chemicals portfolio. Secondly, we are committed to establishing a strong presence in attractive, sustainable business opportunities through investments in geothermal energy, sustainable aviation fuels and circular chemicals. Thirdly, we are building on our strong position in Romania and southeastern Europe. We are investing in profitable growth, such as the EU's largest gas project, Neptun Deep, and the expansion of renewables. Our long-term goal remains to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. These strategic priorities underscore our steadfast commitment to driving sustainable growth and delivering an attractive remuneration to our shareholders.